So, very good morning, friends. Today we'll start with some of the recent amendments which are effective from this syllabus for examination from 1st of July onwards. And then we'll move on to case studies on some of the sections relating to CIRP. So, let us see these amendments. First of all, let us see these amendments. Now, the first amendment, it talks of that record or evidence of transaction, debt or default by operational creditor. So it says the operational creditor shall. So the word shall is important here. Along with the application under section 9, furnish copies of relevant extracts of Form GSTR1 and Form 3B filed under the provisions of the relevant laws relating to GST and the copy of e-way bill wherever applicable. Provided that provisions of this regulation shall not apply to those operational creditors who do not require registration and to those goods and services which are not covered under any law relating to goods and services tax. So the first point here is, suppose there is a person, hello? Yes, actually I am in a meeting, so you can send me a WhatsApp message, please. So XYZ Limited is registered under GST and has to file a claim as an OC. Now, is it compulsory to file relevant extract of GSTR1, Form GST3B and e-way bill, or is it optional? What is your answer?
Presently optional, now it is, they made it compulsory.
No, but read the question. Actually, the question says he has to file a claim. The question is not, he is not filing an application under section 9. That is why I deliberately put this question here. The question here is, he has to file a claim. So whether for filing a claim also, this is necessary or is it optional?
Sir, I think it will be necessary. I think it will be necessary for the reason that.
No, but let us move to another thing. 7 number, regulation number 7. It says copies of relevant extracts of Form GSTR1 and Form 3B filed under the provisions of the relevant laws relating to goods and services tax and the copy of e-way bill wherever applicable. Provided that provisions of this clause shall not apply to those creditors who do not require registration. So actually there are 2 amendments. One is given in regulation 2B and another in 7. So please open the relevant CIRP regulations. Then this point will be clear. Because they may ask a question on this. So regulation 2B says, 2A is talking of a record of evidence of default. So for 2B, we have seen that it is compulsory shall. But now please read regulation number 7 also. So regulation 7 says that in case of claims, what are the things? It says the existence of debt due to the operational creditor under this regulation may be proved on the basis of records available with information utility or other relevant documents, including. So there is or. So here it is optional. So you have to make a distinction whether you are filing an application or you are filing a claim. In case you are filing a claim, it is optional. But definitely it will be better. It will substantiate your claim. Practical angle is something different. But if we see the law, for regulation number 7, it is optional. But for regulation number 2, which is talking of filing of an application, it is mandatory. I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.